People say Pakistan is our neighbor, but neighbors can teach you a lot if you stop fighting and start laughing. Let's see what we can learn from our Padosi Pakistan. They eat spicy food like it's an Olympic sport. Lesson 1. Add some spice to your life too, not just to your plate. When they lose a match, they still celebrate with tea. Lesson 2. Calm down, sip chai and accept life like a true sports person. Have you seen how they dance in weddings? No stress, only joy. Lesson 3. Life's too short to keep grudges. Dance it out, bro. So maybe instead of comparing flags, let's compare smiles. Every country has something beautiful to teach. From Pakistan, we learn joy, spice, and peace of mind. After all, the real border is not between countries, it's between egos.